acting like my younger self for the day.
You're so lazy. Get outside. Go.
Wait. Ow, this hurts. Stop.
Go.
So I'm the mom.
Okay, then I'll be the dog.
You can't be the dog! Honey, I have something to tell you.
What?
Your father died. Thumbs up. Okay, honey, I'm gonna get you your food. Wait, right here. I worked so hard for this.
Why can't I be the dog?
Because you can't.
Well, I want to be the dog.
No!
I don't
want to play with you anymore.
Is that a cat? Oh, it's just a
Mom, can I have this cat?
It's time for bed.
I don't want to go to bed!